All right, earlier I had an application running on the 127001 that I don't remember when or where it got started. And it was closed in Cursor, but it still kept running in the background. It's kind of called like a phantom run. So if you ever go to 127.0.0.1.5000 and it's not what you have running, and your cursor, when you go to run it, so if you go over here to PowerShell and you say Python app.py and you try to go here and it runs something that doesn't look like what you have going on, you probably forgot to close it down before. So what you do is you go over to your Claude and you say kill, okay, kill the processes running on 127.0.0.1:5000, okay? And let's look and see what it did. So I did that. I said kill everything running on 127.0.0.1.5000. It went and looked. It found the processes. It went through a bunch of different tries to kill it. It says, oh, I did it. I tested it again. I said that still did not work. Okay. Then it tried it again. Oh, it says it's still there. Still there. It did it again. It did it again. Let me try it again. After like a while, it finally fixed itself and said, hey, everything's gone. I just checked it and it's gone. Now, I just ran it again, and because I have it running, this is what it's supposed to look like. If I go to examples, it should give me this error. The table does not exist. Because if I get this error, it's because I never sent the database, this database here, we look at it, it's the schema for the database. I never sent it up to the database. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to tell it, using the database connection in the .env file, send up the schema.sql to the MySQL database. And that sounds like it should just be about right. Oh, and we can say and seed the table using the seed data. Okay, so we'll see if it does it. Now, it should be able to like bash into it and like actually send the data up using its SQL. Sometimes what it will do is it'll create like a Python script for it. It might install a PyMySQL connection to try to do it if it can't just command line into it and set it up. So I'm going to have to go through a couple different ways and say connect in, connect in, connect. It's going to tell me, sorry, you can't connect in. Sorry, we can't do that. Let me try a different way. Okay, let me install the MySQL connector. That's fine. Now it's connected in. It looks like everything's good. It connected it. Now let me try it. Oh, it's running the script. Okay. Now I could go into my connection here and see that it's done. Or I could just copy the schema, go over here, copy all of this, and I could just run that directly in here and just run it as a query here by clicking this little lightning bolt and just run it there, and it will just create there. But this is all working. We're going to let this do, it's actually creating its own Py file, like Python file to set it up. So we're going to let it do its thing, and it should just take a second. It's going to connect in and try to run this. If it gets any errors, it will fix itself. And it looks like it's finding everything that it needs to, and it's connecting, and it's sending it up to the database, and the database table is being created, and everything looks like it is perfectly fine. Now if I go back to the sample and hit refresh, the table is there. Now, this is a great start. This is my starter kit that I gave you. It has a really good modal that works. It has a really good edit that preloads everything that works. And it has a modal on the delete that works. Those are the three things that we're looking for, plus it loads. But what I'd like to do, instead of examples, I'd like to, in the next video, change it out to be something else. Okay? So for now, for this lesson 3, I just want you to preload the data, and I want you to check to see if it actually works.